Elevate your kitchen with the new range of premium LG ovens, induction cooktops, and range hoods. Hi, Christian from LG here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the racking inside your LG InstaView oven, how to remove your glass door, and how to reposition the telescopic runners. Removing racking and other internal accessories such as trays will facilitate the cleaning of your oven. This should be done before running the Blue Easy Clean cycle or activating the pyrolytic self-cleaning. To remove the rack, lift up the rack slightly. Pull the front of the rack away from the sidewall. Continue to swing the front of the rack to the center of the oven whilst pulling the rear of the rack away from the sidewall to release its hook. To deep clean the oven and keep it looking like new, remove the glass door as follows. Fully open the door. Lift the door clamp and flip it towards the oven completely. Firmly grasp both sides of the door at the top. Partially close the door to approximately 70 degrees. When the position is correct, the hinges will move freely. Lift and pull the door towards you until the hinge latches are completely loosened. If you wish to reposition your telescopic runners in your oven, follow these easy steps. Check the telescopic runner direction with the long part of the telescopic clip facing down and the pins of the telescopic runner pointed upwards. Place the telescopic runner parallel with the rail rack horizontally. Hook both the telescopic runner clips onto the upper rail of the desired rack position. Place the telescopic runner onto the rail rack until the lower part of the telescopic runner clip buckle clips into the lower rail of the desired rack position. Find out more about the full range of LG cooking appliances now at LG.